Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we import or how can we insert a video from YouTube in Microsoft PowerPoint slides. So guys, you can see in this PPT, I have total 9 slide, and in the 9 slide, I'm gonna insert a video from YouTube. So how to do that? To insert the video, you have to click on insert, and here in this media group, which is present in the last, you have an option here for video. Just click on the video and you will have two options. The first one is import the video from online sources and second one is from your PC. So I'm going to click on online video. Now before adding the URL of the video, make sure you have a proper internet connection. It's necessary, it's must, and you should log into your PowerPoint account with your Microsoft account in the PowerPoint. So let's insert the video. To add the video, I'll use our YouTube channel Mahaguru's video how to make 2D pie chart in Excel. So to insert the video, just copy the video URL and then paste it in this box. And then click on insert. Now it will take some time to render your video in the slide, but it all depends upon your processor, your RAM and your internet connection. Now if you see, it's rendered, but your video is not appearing right now. It's just a thumbnail, and here is the play button. If you want to play the video, you can click here to play the video. Like this. Now if you want to arrange the size, if you want to adjust the size of the video, then you can do it with these dots like this. Let's play it again. Now here you have all the options that you have on YouTube to play the video, to control the sound, to turn on and off the captions, and from the settings you can increase the quality, subtitles, and here we have the playback speed. Also you can share the video from here, or you can add it to your watch later list. Now whenever you will click outside of this video box, then your thumbnail will appear. If you want to edit this its appearance, you can use this format tab, but before that you have to select this thumbnail at least. Then you have to click on format tab. Here you can arrange video style, adjust means you can do the correction. You can add some filters. If you want to crop it, you can crop it from here. You can add video effects, video border, video shape, or you can use some video styles from here like this. Now if you want to do some playback editings, like if you want to trim, if you want to fade in and out, you can't do that all this from here because it's just a normal YouTube video and YouTube doesn't allow you to do that in PowerPoint. Okay, and it's not possible. You can do this with any video that you have imported in your PC, from your PC, but you can't do it from your YouTube video. But you can play and pause, that's it. Okay, so this way guys, you can insert a video from YouTube. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.